In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Lightbox in Wix Studio. Whether you're looking to showcase your latest offers, capture emails, or simply display more information in an engaging way, Lightboxes can be incredibly effective. We'll go through each step together to ensure you can easily implement these on your Wix site. First, let's get started by logging into your Wix account. Head over to the Wix homepage and click on Sign In if you haven't done so already. Once logged in, you'll land on your dashboard, which gives you access to all your sites and their respective control panels. From here, locate the area labeled My Sites or My Account at the top navigation bar. Click on this to bring up a list of all your active websites. Next, from the list of your sites, find the one you want to work with and click on the button labeled Select and Edit Site. By doing this, you will enter the Wix site editor where all the magic happens. This platform is very user-friendly and designed to help you customize your site with ease, even if you're not a tech wizard. Once inside the editor, look at the sidebar on the left side of your screen. Here, you need to click on Design Site. This is your gateway to adding new features and customizing your website's look and feel. Be sure that your site fits the theme and branding of your business. In the editor, you'll want to locate the search function. This is typically represented by a magnifying glass icon on the toolbar. Click on it, and it will give you a search bar. The search bar is a very powerful tool within the Wix ecosystem and will help you find the specific elements you're looking to add, including lightboxes. Now go ahead and type in Lightbox in the search bar, and what happens next is that a list of available Lightbox templates will appear. These templates vary in design, function, and style, offering you the flexibility to choose one that aligns perfectly with your site's aesthetic and the message you want to communicate. Browse through the selection and take note of any that catch your interest. You can preview how each one will look and function on your site just by clicking on it. Once you've made your choice, simply click Add or Use this template. And there you have it. It's that easy to incorporate a Lightbox into your Wix site. You can now adjust and customize the settings of your chosen Lightbox to make sure it meets your specific needs. With these steps, you're fully equipped to enhance your website with professionally designed Lightboxes. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!